In Tandem, there are a couple of keyboard shortcuts that make viewing models easier. To bring an entire facility or models, including misaligned models, into view, simply press the F key once. This is particularly helpful if you are asking yourself, where's my model? The other function that the F key has is zooming in on a selected asset. This is essentially the manual process of follow selection that is located in the inventory panel. The next keyboard shortcut that users can take advantage of is the H key. This simply recenters the model in the viewer to the default or home view for the facility. Thanks for watching, and tell us what you think in the comments below.